Too many portable grills look interchangeable. The Weber Q1200 is the small cookout default. Switch for bigger meals, longer carries, or charcoal. Choose by cooking space, carry weight, fuel, and cleanup. For most small cookouts, choose the Weber Q1200 gas grill. It suits patios, tailgates, and smaller households wanting simple gas controls and room for roughly 6 burgers. Its even heating makes everyday grilling straightforward, while the 1-pound propane setup stays compact. The catch is portability. At about 24 pounds, it's better transported by car than carried far. Skip it if you're cooking larger roasts or regularly feeding beyond a small group. For bigger portions, choose the Weber Q2800N Plus portable grill. Its broader grate, taller lid, and wider heat range suit car camping or compact homes cooking up to about 9 burgers. It also accommodates taller foods such as whole chickens. The catch is the travel load. The nearly 40-pound grill requires a 20-pound propane tank, so every outing gets bulkier. Skip it if you want true grab-and-go convenience or disposable propane cylinders. For easier carrying, choose the Char-Broil Grill 2G-OX200 portable gas grill. Its latching suitcase shape and 20-pound body makes sense when the cooking spot isn't beside your car. You still get roughly 6 burger capacity in a compact gas format. The catch is heat control. It can run intensely hot, while the perforated surface concentrates browning at contact points. Skip it if you want gentler high heat control or traditional open grate browning. For charcoal cooking, choose the Weber Jumbo Joe Charcoal Grill 18-inch. It gives charcoal fans a roomy kettle layout, adjustable vents, and space for about 7 burgers. At 18 pounds, it's also easier to travel within the larger gas options. The catch is daily effort. Lighting coals, adjusting temperature, and clearing ash take more attention. Skip it if you prioritize push-button startup, quick packing, less smoke, or simpler cleanup. Quick split. Most small cookouts, Weber Q1200. Bigger portions, Weber Q2800N Plus. Longer carries, Char-Broil Grill 2G-OX200. For charcoal, Weber Jumbo Joe Charcoal Grill 18-inch. Before buying, check grate capacity, packed weight, fuel requirements, lid clearance, storage space, and how much cleanup you'll tolerate. Start with the Weber Q1200 for balanced capacity and convenience. Switch to the larger Weber for bigger meals, the Char-Broil for longer carries, or the Jumbo Joe for charcoal. Links are in the description. That's the brief. Fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.